What's up guys, Dave here with Dentless Touch, and today I'm gonna go over the ultimate door tool. So today guys, I'm bringing you two tools here, one that I used to use and love, and the new one that is now my new favorite. Let's get into it. First tool is gonna be the Blem adjustable handle door tool. This tool has gotten me through my career for the last probably about 10 years now. It's been the go-to for any door dings. It's been the go-to for any weird accesses that I may need, and I need a ratcheting handle. It's a very, very stout tool. But it's been put through the paces over time, and it's starting to wear down a lot. And I think it's just time for a new tool. And there's been a couple that have come across our plate lately, and I think I have found the new ultimate door tool. The tool that I'm going to bring you guys today is the Dent Reaper rod from A1 Tools. This thing is money. Not only does it have that adjustable handle, the same as that Blem here. Not only does it have that same adjustable handle, the versatility with this handle here is unmatched compared to any of these other ratcheting handle tools. I can actually take this black handle off. It does have a little shorter throw on it up top, but I can take this off and I can put a Gorilla Grip extension if I wanted to, and change this handle out into a T handle or another bigger gripped ratcheting handle. As far as tips go, as you guys can see here, one is beveled. The old Blem that I was using here is beveled. It's a little more blunt tip here. Great tool for pushing daily use. But here you can see the sharpness of this A1 Dent Reaper rod here. And this is gonna really pinpoint all of those nice little lows inside of your dent. And it's gonna help out a lot so much. One of the other great functions of this A1 Dent Reaper rod here is that it's shaved down here in the kick part or the throw. It's shaved compared to this Blem tool. So when you're trying to slide through some of these tight braces or these tight window openings, this shaved part here on this A1 is going to be beautiful for just sliding down in between some of these tight to reach places. So guys, like I said, I'm comparing my old Blem adjustable handle door tool to the new A1 ratcheting handle here from A1 and Dent Reaper. Guys, if you don't have a set of Dent Reaper rods or A1 tools, please go pick them up. These new sets that are coming out are unmatched compared to a lot of the stuff that I actually have currently in my arsenal. So head on over to A1 Tool or DentReaper.com and pick up a Dent Reaper adjustable handle door tool today. Also guys, if you are looking for more information, please head on over to dentlesstouch.com/community where you can sign up for our Discord server. We're in there daily with tools, tips, and tricks, helping out the PDR industry in any way we can. Head on over there and sign up today.